Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Confusion and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to animate a number counter inside of After Effects using expressions. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, to start things off, I'm going to create a new composition, and I'm just going to keep it at 3840 by 2160, otherwise known as 4K. Now set all of the composition settings to fit your needs, and then press OK. Then let's go ahead and create a new text layer. And on this text layer, you can type whatever you want. It doesn't really matter because it's going to get replaced with numbers when we add the effect in. Alright, now go ahead and right click on your text layer and go to Effect, Expression Controls, and choose Slider Control. This will apply the slider control effect to your layer. Alright, now expand your text layer properties and then expand both the text and effects category. Under effects, you'll also need to expand the slider control. Now holding down Alt or Option on your keyboard, click on the stopwatch icon next to source text. This will add an expression to the layer. Now grab this little swirl icon, which is called the pick whip, and drag that to the slider parameter underneath slider control. This will link the expression to the text. Under the effects control window, you can now change the slider parameter, and if you linked everything correctly, your number will change. To animate this, we'll use keyframes just like if you were animating any other parameter inside of After Effects. Click on the stopwatch and set the parameter you want the number to start on. For me, I'll just do 0, and then move your playhead to where you want the number to stop changing, and change the slider parameter to the number you want it to stop on. When you play it back, however, you'll notice that there are all of these digits after the decimal point, which you probably don't want. So we're going to add a little string to our expression, and I'll have this down in the description so that you can copy and paste it. But it's super simple. Just type this right in the expression box. Period value period to capital fixed. And then both a left and right parentheses. Inside those parentheses, just type whatever number of digits you want after the decimal point. In my case, I'm going to do 0, but you could do 2 for something like money counting up. Then you'll see that your counter has adjusted to your expression. Let's say you want to add a $sign before the counter without having to create a different text layer. If you go to the beginning of your expression and just type in the $sign inside of quotation marks and then the plus symbol, this will add it to the beginning of your counter. Or let's say you want to add something like the percentage symbol at the end, you can do the same thing, just type the plus symbol first and then type the percent symbol inside of quotation marks. And that's how you create an animated number counter inside of After Effects CC 2019. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help you out. Just let me know down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please remember to leave a like, and don't forget to comment a new video idea, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time guys, peace out.